All right, so there you go, guys. So hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all our viewers there. Right now, we're going to set this up as our home Wi-Fi device. Okay, so this is a TP-Link TL-WR940N. All right, so if you guys did not see my unboxing about this, you can just go ahead and click the link up and you'll see my unboxing on this part. Okay, so yeah, as I mentioned a while ago, we're going to set this up as our wireless home device. Okay, so first up is we'll have to set it up first, connect it in our computer. Okay, so there you go. Before we can set our home Wi-Fi, we have to. So if you see this white cable, this goes to my switch down here, there, and also this blue cable here, or with all these 4 ports here. This goes to the PC. Right, there you go. So this is where we will access this router via this blue cable connected to the PC. Okay, so once you're done, you can now remove this blue cable here, and then you can connect it directly to your switch again. All right, so there you go. So first up, we're going to configure it first, and then after that, we're going to connect it already. Okay. Okay, so here we are now in our computer. So all you have to do is open a browser, and then we have to type the IP address of our um, router. In this case, it's at 192.168 dot 0.1. Right, there you go. I've been typing here. Okay, so there you go. Basically, by default, its password is admin and username admin. All right, there you go. All right, so we are now here in a quick setup. So first, I'm gonna teach you how to do it in a quick setup, and then second, we'll do it manually. Okay, if your router doesn't um, if your router doesn't have this feature like a quick setup feature, then later I'll teach you how different way on how to do it. Okay, so I'm using once again I'm using a TP-Link TL-WR940N model. So in this case, it has a quick setup module. All right, so all we have to do is click next, and then okay, so all we have to do is to click on next there, and I just have to select dynamic IP. All right, so dynamic IP means that the router will be the one assigning your IP address. Just click on next, and it says here Mac and media access, and you just have to know I do not need to clone MAC address. Okay, just click on next. All right, so here we go. The installation. So basically, yeah, we have to enable it so that we can search it. So all we need to do is to put a SSID. So SSID is also called the wireless network name. So this is what you can see on if you're searching for a um, Wi-Fi access point. All right, so okay, there we go. And password. This password. All right, there you go. And then that's it. We're done. So just click on finish. Share wireless there, enabled, and this is the SSID. There you go. All right.
A few minutes later.
All right. So once again, here is another way if you don't have that quick setup module. So all we have to do is to access again our router and then put the password and the username. Okay. Okay. So what if we don't have this feature, this quick setup feature? Okay. So all we have to do is to go here, wireless, there, and there you go. So you have to name it again. It's there you go. So basically, I just resetted this router for sake of uh, for the sake of this tutorial. Okay, so if you don't have the quick setup module, you'll have to go manually to the wireless tab. Okay, so what we have to do is to set the name first and then save. Okay, all right, there you go. And secondly, we have to go to wireless security. Okay, so this is where we will put our password. So basically, all we have to do is to select the version WPA2-BSK. So this is the latest password encryption version. Okay, and what we have to do is to put again the password. Okay, so that's the password I didn't save, and voila, there, we're all set, and let's go try it. Okay, so that's it. That's how you configure this TP-Link router to become your wireless access router, wireless access point. And okay, so for those who did not yet subscribe to my channel, please do so. And if you have comments, please comment down below. And oh yeah, did you know that you can also use this as a range extender? Okay, so if you don't know it, just click on the link up and there's I made also tutorials on how to do it. Okay, on how to connect your wireless, or how to use this one as your range extender. Okay, once again guys, thank you very much, and please do subscribe and hit the notification bell, and thank you guys.